Good morning, everyone. It's great to be here. My name is Michael. Before I really jump into everything, I just want to get a feel for who here has an Alexa device. Oh, this is a lot better than I usually get at these. How about an Echo Show device? It's pretty good too. So my team owns the Echo Show, and as part of that, we work on camera-related features as well. So computer vision is a huge part of what we do, and it's a really interesting way to make our devices better, more aware of what's going on around you, so that they can personalize content, they can make things more relevant, more useful. So that's what I'm going to be talking about today. Before I jump into that, I want to talk a little bit about vision of Alexa. It really is about being that personal assistant that is always there for you, that is useful, that can help you, makes life more convenient. Now, as I mentioned earlier, ambient intelligence is the key to making that a reality. And that's all about technology just fading into the background. We've heard some things around VR, and this is no knock on Richard, who works at Meta, and they've done some really, really cool things in that area. But our vision is for technology to fade, so that you're not having to wear a headset, or you're not having to be looking at your phone all day. It just works in the background. And to enable that, computer vision really is key. I'm not going to talk as much about the other signals on the device, but we also do things like ultrasound. I'll jump in to some of this now. And we fuse signals, we try to do all of those kind of things. I'll save that for another talk, maybe next year. But I want to touch on some of the features that we have launched, just to give you an idea. And then I'm going to go deeper into the first one here, adaptive content. So I'll save that one. Smart motion is one that is really interesting on the Echo Show 10. It allows the device to follow you and keep you in the field of view. This is great for a video call as you're walking around the kitchen. Really useful for that. There's also Visual ID, which is our version of Face ID, so we can recognize you. But as opposed to just unlocking the device, that allows us to personalize an inherently communal device for you.